Hi, my name is Vanden Avond. Have you ever wondered what goes into building a home? Well, we're going to take you through every step of the way, from the initial dig to the family walking in the door. All right, welcome back. We're here with Mike and Chris again. We're here to talk about doors, trim, hardware. So let's start off with the doors. What are some of the options for a solid door that we're looking at?
When you get into the interior door design, you're trying to keep again with the plan and the homeowner's taste. So
yeah.
Right now the craftsman style is very popular around here. So straight lines, flat panels and such, and you can go from 3-panel to 2-panel flat to 4-panel. I can even get a 5-panel flat.
There's a ton of different options with the doors.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So I think we were talking about, it used to be the 6-panel door used to be popular, and now we've kind of moved into the 2 or 3-panel.
Yep, just because of the straight lines. When you get into the 6-panel door, that's not, the arched raised lines around it, and it's not what's real popular right now in the area.
I think it's all about cleaning and maintaining. The less detail and the less lines, the less dust collecting, and people are all about wanting to be more efficient.
All right, perfect. Let's move on to exterior doors. Where do we need exterior doors? Obviously, besides the front door, the back door, certain places you need.
Certain places, front door, back door. If you have a staircase to your basement from your garage, you're going to need an exterior door there.
Okay.
Any of your service doors are going to be exterior doors.
Okay.
So an entry point into your garage is called a service door. You're going to need an exterior door there.
Yeah.
There's different types of exterior doors. In the garage to the house, any entry point from the garage to the house, it has to be fire rated. So it's going to be a concrete core or a steel door, so it can have a 20-minute fire rating.
Okay. Back to the interior doors, all around the doors, windows and everything. On the bottom of the floors, we're going to have trim.
Yep.
So we've got some of the trim behind us. Give us a little 1-minute intro to trims and different kinds and what we're looking for.
Trims, again, it goes back to species. So if you're doing maple interior or oak interior, or if you're doing hickory, knotty alder, we start with that, and then usually for what in our aspect, the most popular styles are displayed for you, or what's most common in the area. When it comes to trim, again, if you can draw it on a napkin or give me some kind of idea or a picture from something, I can generally get it quoted out for you. Okay. And sky's the limit, to be honest with you. It's a book of a million options when it comes to casing base.
So you're looking at the type of wood, the color. I mean, you can go with the natural color of the wood, or you can paint it white or different colors.
Yep.
And then the intricacy, you can have just a straight 90-degree angle, or you can have dips and bends in your trim.
Yep. People that just pick one that looks like a board that goes around, and then if you can look over at other displays, you can see it'll be 6 inches big, and it'll have every nook and cranny.
It's limitless possibilities with trim, and that's going to drive the price substantially.
More intricate, the higher the price.
The more wood that you have for your trim, so the taller board that you have on the floor and the wider the board is around the window, the more expensive it's going to be.
Okay. All right. So we're going to move on to hardware for the door. Again, just tons of options with that.
Yep.
Let's go with the exterior, like some of the, or as we look at smart homes, what's the best technology right now as far as entrance door getting into your front door?
Right now, I guess that's another conversation we have. So there's deadbolts and front door handles that are controlled by your phone.
Yep.
That's an option. There's ones that are just keypad when you get there. You can open them that way. There's also the aspect that most garage doors around here have a keypad also, so they generally not stuck outside anymore. If you lost your key or the power goes out, you have a way into your home nowadays. So
Okay. And Schlag's a good name brand, I know. So basically the higher quality hardware, the better interior, the guts of the lock, and it's just going to last longer.
Yep. No, and Schlag is one of those companies that if something goes wrong, or if you buy your product through us or whatever else, we'll just get it taken care of if something happens wrong. I've been in it for 25 years or so, and I don't have very many callbacks on any kind of hardware. So,
all right.
Unless little Johnny is reefing on the doorknob and she comes flying out, but that's.
Yeah. And then interior door hardware, you're looking at whether it's just a stick-out handle or a turn knob,
Yep.
or the different options.
There's a bunch of options. You know, you can go to old school turn knob. The levers are very popular, which will coincide with a lot of your entry doors as well. So like your door from the garage would have probably the same style as your interior doors.
And of course, just those the levers help if you're carrying kids or
Absolutely.
groceries or anything. You just pop it down.
You
and
can
open
use
it.
your elbow.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Anything else for us?
No, I think that's about it.
All right, we're gonna hit it up quick. We had a good question. I want to build a house. Who do I go to first?
It's really up to you as a consumer. If you want to build the house and be your own contractor, then you could go to the supply yard and start your drafting and design work that way. And they can supply your material, and that's about it.
Okay.
You'd have to figure everything else on your own. If you don't want anything to do with finding contractors or plumbers, any of that stuff, go to the contractor first. That would be me. And start the design process from there. And then they have the people they work with, and you're going to get better callback and better warranty work when you're working with the contractor.
So, same thing when I'm selling houses. Now, first thing, know a real estate guy,
That's you.
and I got some connections and I can hook you up
Yep.
for anything. But when I'm selling a house or helping someone buy, I have certain vendors that I like to use that I've had experience with,
Yep.
that I trust, and that I know they'll keep the process going.
Right.
Same thing with you guys.
Absolutely the same thing.
So we had a question, what if I buy a door from somewhere else, or, if I want to, without using name brands, buy an economical door and just put it in there, what happens with that?
That's fine. We'll do that. We'll put the door in that you supply from not our supplier. That's not a big deal to us. Just if there's a warranty issue with the door, the quality of the door, then that's up to you to deal with, and you take care of it. If it's craftsmanship, we'll come and we'll make sure that it's going to be right on our end. But if it's the product itself, that's your issue. If it comes from us, then we take care of it. You call me, and we get it taken care of.
You're going to finish this house, and if I see something wrong with it, anything, I'm going to call you and say, hey, this is something, something's
Yep.
wrong with this. As long as it was in your plan,
Absolutely.
I can call you, and you're going to figure out who to contact.
You got it. If your refrigerator stops running and you need that fixed, give me a call. I'll coordinate with the appliance guy.
But if I piecemealed, you built the structure, but I piecemealed all different parts, you may have to say,
Good luck. Good luck
supplied that, that's on
good
you.
luck finding the right contacts to
Okay.
get your warranty claim on it. You supplied it. I'm sorry.
So again, find someone you know and trust that does great work, and trust them to do a great job, and you're going to stick. That's the best plan.
That's the best plan to go by. Yep.
Trust
All
them.
right. Awesome. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks on a
Matt.
Saturday
Matt.
morning. Very educational, and good job out here this morning.
Thanks.
All right. Thanks,
Thank you.
guys. To see the process unfold, follow us on Facebook at The Build, or look for us on YouTube.